Did you know Etsy shops with over 50 active listings are more likely to make consistent daily sales? Expanding your product catalog gives your customers more choices and creates more index pages for search results. Stores with larger catalogs see a huge increase in organic traffic and dramatically higher return customer rates. But how do you list 50 products fast without spending weeks staring at your computer screen? I'm Archie, and welcome to Gelato Academy, where today I will show you how to create multiple products from an existing template. First, log into your Gelato Dashboard, navigate over to your Store tab, and click on Bulk Actions. Now click Create multiple products at once, which allows you to make multiple listings from one of your existing product templates. Now, we just need to follow the steps. First, enter your emails. Let's choose our template. I've picked this greeting card I made. You can download the template attributes, which includes the product UID. You will need this for the next steps. Now, we need to create a CSV with your new products and design. Use the Download Template CSV button in the top right corner to download a template and get started easily. We recommend limiting each CSV upload to 15,000 rows to prevent timeouts and ensure smooth processes. That is, if you have 15,000 new designs, if your catalog is massive, simply split it into smaller files and upload them one by one. Add your images as links that allow direct download access without requiring any login credentials for a smooth and easy migration. A reliable hosting service like Dropbox is recommended. Gelato uses this file URL to download and use your designs, so ensure they are high-quality PNG, JPEG, or PDF files under 100 megabytes each for smooth uploads. Please note that Google Drive is not currently supported for this specific process, so use a direct host. Ensure the other columns, such as product title and product description, are also populated. Use the product UID from the template attributes we downloaded earlier too. Finally, upload your CSV file. Once uploaded, you can click Create Products. It can take a short time to upload all your products. Sit back, relax, or create some new art. Our system automatically checks and retries stuck sub-operations every 3 hours, up to 3 times if needed. If an item still fails, it is skipped so the overall operation finishes and you can try again. Please remember that we cannot edit the designs within your provided files, so ensure artwork is print ready. And that's it! How easy! Your new products have been created in no time at all. In just a few minutes of spreadsheet work, you can dramatically expand your store catalog and product offering. More products mean more visibility, increased organic traffic, and ultimately more sales for your growing online business. Start scaling your business with Gelato today. I'm Archie, this is Gelato Academy, and I will see you next time.